Lesson 5. Food. Ordering food is a perfect opportunity to practice your Irish. So listen and repeat. I am hungry. Tá ocras orm. We are hungry. Tá ocras orin. The children are hungry. Tá ocras na páistí. Breakfast is at 8. Beidh an breicfásta a 8. Let's meet for lunch. Buailfimís le chéile don lón. We eat dinner in the evening. Ihamid an dinéir tráthnóna. I am hungry. Let's meet for lunch. Tá ocras orm. Buailfimís le chéile don lón. Now listen to these phrases and repeat. We eat dinner in the evening when the children are hungry. Ihamid an dinéir tráthnóna nuair atá ocras na páistí. Let's meet for breakfast. Buailfimís le chéile den mbricfásta. Now try saying, I am hungry, let's meet for dinner. Tá ocras orm. Buailfimís le chéile don dinéir. Now we'll consider some things to eat and drink. Listen and repeat. He had toast every morning. Bhí toasta aige gach maidin. I prefer coffee to tea. Is fearlam cafe, ná té. She eats cereal, cornflakes, for supper. Éhann she gránmhar, calóga arúr, don sipéir. We have a snack at 11 in the morning. Bíonn smaile beag le nithe gach maidin a 11. I like a sandwich for lunch. Is maithliam capire don lón. Would you like a ham sandwich or a toasted cheese sandwich? Bhaile at capire líomhas nó capire cáise tóstáilte. My favourite lunch is vegetarian panini. Mo rawa loin ná panini gan fowl. Can I have a bottle of sparkling water, please? Bhailm budé liske cuipthe le dá thoil. I eat 5 portions of fruit and vegetables every day. Ihim cúig chuid do thorthaí agus do ghlasarí gach lá. Listen to these phrases and repeat. I would like a toasted ham sandwich for lunch. Bhailm capire líomhais tóstáilte don lón. I have coffee and toast for breakfast. Bíonn cafe agus toasta agam don bhricfásta. Now try saying, I have coffee at 11 in the morning. Bíonn cafe agam ag 11 maidin. Now try saying, I would like a cheese sandwich for lunch. Bhailm capire cáise den lón. Okay, some more phrases around food. Would you like soup? Bhaile at anra. I never eat a starter. Ní ihim réamh via a riamh. We love junk food. Is bra linn bia canta. We eat fish on Fridays. Ihimid iasc an. I'm a meat and two veg person. Far fiol agus glasry mishe. I'm a vegetarian. Fiol shéantóir mishe. My son is allergic to peanuts. Ní féidir le mo wach pís halún a ihe. Now listen to these phrases and repeat. I never eat meat. Ní ihim fiol a riamh. I would like soup as a starter. Bhfuailm anra mar réamh chóirsa. Now try saying we love fish. Is brálinn iasc. Now some phrases around entertaining. Listen and repeat. Would you like to come to dinner? Bhaile teacht chun dinéir. We are having a dinner party on Saturday. Beidh kosher dinéir againn an Saturn. I'm inviting 6 guests. Tá cuireadh tugadh agam do heisir. We need caterers to help. Tá lónadóirí ag tastáil chun cúnamh a thabhairt. The guests arrive at 8. Tucaigh na híana ar a hocht. And combining some of these phrases, we need caterers to help with our dinner party. Tá lónadóirí ag tastáil chun cúnamh a thabhairt leis an gcóisir dinéir. I'm inviting 6 guests to dinner on Saturday. Tá cuireadh tugadh agam de heisir teacht chuig dinéir ar an Saturn. Now try saying we are having a dinner party. Tá míad chun kosher dinéir a bheith againn. Now can you say, would you like to come to dinner on Saturday? Bhaile teacht chun dinéir de Saturn.